Not him.
Of course there's no other baby.
Oh my god. That doesn't look like Sydney.
That's not Sydney. That's not Sydney.
This isn't
Tell
Sydney.
me, but how did you know that then?
It doesn't look anything like him.
Oh my dearest little great... Yeah, but I wouldn't have put it down if it wasn't. No, it's got to be. Look, it's me old, so who else would it be? No, I'm sorry, that's got to be Sydney, because I wouldn't make a mistake, and I'll put it at the back.
I think this is a friend of somebody's.
No, I've got no friends with babies now. No, that's Sydney, all right, there's no doubt about it. I don't know why you're saying that.
It's not him. It isn't.
So who's that then?
Who? Which one? Okay, have that.
He dressed up.
I don't know who it is. Because look at this,
No,
Sydney's a little baby boy.
No, the children look different. No, it's definitely Sydney. There's no other baby.
It's not him.
No, it can't.
It isn't him.
This little baby's got